Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing this 2019 Honda Odyssey minivan for you, and just finishing up my test drive, backing up into my video slot here to do the review. And overall, great driving van. I got the opportunity to play around with some of the controls before I went on the drive, and I'll show you that. I can see why this is rated one of the top minivans and really top family vehicles, safety wise, convenience wise, feature wise. So I'm gonna turn this around and we'll get started on it. So it's got a nice integrated touchscreen radio here, so a lot of functions that you can do in this radio, as you can see here. Of course, there's hookup to your phone, there's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, where you can connect to your particular phone device and get that synced up. There's Bluetooth, there's Sirius radio, there's an auxiliary port, there's AM, FM radio, there's even a calculator on this thing. So a lot of different options there for you on the radio. Coming down through here, you've got your climate control. There's 3 zones of climate: the driver, the passenger, and then the rear. They can all be set to automatic too. There's heated seats up front here. And then this is unique. I've not been in a vehicle like this. This is how you go from park to reverse to neutral to drive. Really cool. It took me a second to get it, but once I did it, it's very simple. I do have cruise control up here on the steering wheel. This is not your ordinary cruise control. This is adaptive cruise control, what that is, if you're on the highway, you got your cruise control set, someone slows down in front of you, your cruise control is automatically going to adjust, so you don't have to adjust it so long as you're on the adaptive mode. It does have hands-free phone calling. It's a great way to talk on your phone. In my opinion, that's how I enjoy talking on my phone, just hands-free right in the car. It's safe, and I just like it. Got a lot of different fuel mileage, trip type things in the center screen here. Fuel gauge, and then temperature gauge off to the left. This does have lane assistance, so this is going to keep you in the lane while driving down the interstate. In between the lanes, it does have collision mitigation, so if someone stops really quick in front of you and you don't react quick enough, the vehicle will. It does have power liftgate and also traction control, power sliding rear doors, which is nice because you can shut them off in case you don't want the kids hitting them accidentally. It does have programmable seats, so if there's multiple drivers that like their seats in particular positions, you can program that. Power mirrors right here, power locks, and power windows. Has a couple nice trays here, good spot for cell phone here, and then even deeper down there. Overall, super clean vehicle. Has, I should have read that, 20,391 miles on it. I got a deep spot here for cargo. Does have 2 USB ports there and an auxiliary plug-in there for your auxiliary cable. Does have a factory book, and it's I think it's as big as my Bible. It's a big one. It's a lot of information there, and we have power moonroof as well. All right, let's take a look at the outside here. I just noticed here in the rearview mirror, programmable controls for your garage door. All right, let's take a look at the outside. This will still have remainder of factory warranty on it. Again, just over 20,000 miles. Has this really pretty pearl white color on it. Does have fog lights down there. Bumper looks good. I don't see any big rock chips or anything in that, nor the hood, nor the front windshield. All 3 have rock chips on that front windshield. Has alloy wheels, as you can see there. Tires have plenty of tread, not a lot of miles on this vehicle. Power sliding door. So that makes it nice, especially if your hands are full, or you can even use this with the key, which just has 2 keys, so you can hit your key fob to do that. Reclining seat here. It's a nice, comfortable seat. Sometimes in these minivans, the seats back here are not very comfortable, but plenty of comfort, plenty of leg room. I'm 6 foot tall, so plenty of room there. Also has a couple charger ports back here for the guests, USB for their devices, tablets, things of that sort. The rear compartment does have its own heating and air conditioning controls, and it's nice having this center aisle to get back into the seats. So seating for 7, seat belts for 7, all leather wrapped seats. Let's take a look in the rear. Coming back here, power liftgate again can be controlled by the key fob, and has a nice deep compartment here. This doubles as a spot for where these seats can, notice how the seat can recline there, but the seat can also fold down flat into that space for a nice big cargo area there. Just the rear seats fold flat into the ground on this van. Passenger side looks just as good as the other three sides we've looked at. Wheels look good, paint looks good. I don't see any major defects in it. Overall, what a joy to drive. This has the 3.5 liter V6 engine, front wheel drive, so it's going to get anywhere you need it to go. Gets great fuel mileage, I think just below 30 miles a gallon on this size van. A lot of safety features in this I didn't get into, but really good airbag systems and things of that sort. So if you think this might be good for your family, I hope this review helped you. Financing's available. I'll post links below how you can get pre-approved on this particular van before you come into the store. And also, we'd love to have your trade. You know, you can hassle trying to sell it yourself, but we will give you top dollar for it right here. So give us an opportunity on your trade-in. We can give you a no obligation quote on that right through our website. So I'll post a link how to do that below as well. I hope this review you found helpful and assist you in your purchasing decision. We love the opportunity to earn your business. Thanks for watching, everyone.